This is John and Rose Ismerio. We are accountants out here in the city of Burbank, California. It is a pleasure to share with you some tax news as easy to understand as possible. Rose?
Hola, somos Rose y Johnny Ismerio de Tax Accounting Firm con más de 20 años de experiencia haciendo impuestos para latinos aquí en Estados Unidos y les queremos compartir noticias de impuestos como ahora. Johnny, ¿qué va a pasar?
So, September 15th. September 15th is the deadline for all corporations, S corporations, C corporations, and even partnerships, Rose.
Sí, para septiembre 15 es el límite para hacer los impuestos de corporaciones y LLCs que tienen más de un propietario.
So how do we start? Well, we need to have your bookkeeping, make sure that your 12 months of gross profit is determined during the year 2022 if you haven't done your income taxes, along with knowing how much your cost of goods sold was if you sell products. If not, then find out what your expenses are, your overhead, your expenses, and then at the end, you have net profit. Once you have that, Rose,
¿cómo te puedes preparar para esta fecha si tú tienes una empresa? Bueno, pues tienes que sacar todos tus ingresos y también tienes que sacar tus gastos. Y estar listo para dárselos a tu contador.
So, now that we have the bookkeeping, so what next? Make sure that you give this to your accountant with enough time. Do not give this to your accountant a day before, 2 days before, because they're not going to do a good job. Make sure you give them ample time. You guys, at this point, you have more than a month, plenty of time, but make sure you get this information, the bookkeeping, make sure you put it on their table, and they know that this is serious and this needs to get done. Rose?
Si ya tienes todo contado sobre tus ingresos y tus gastos, entonces dáselo de inmediato a tu contador, ya que el tiempo corre rápido y si tú se los das a última hora, seguramente va a haber algunos problemas.
That's right. So just make sure that you have your K1s if you need the K1s. Make sure that you have all the information ready and as soon as possible to get it to your accountant. Rose?
Si tienes alguna K1 o si no sabes qué es eso, si tienes una 1099 y no sabes cómo declararlo, bueno, es necesario que tú vayas con tu contador o tu preparador de impuestos de inmediato.
So let's say that, okay, listen, Rose, I don't have an accountant. What type of services do you guys provide? Number one, we provide income taxes for businesses such as corporations, LLCs, partnerships, etc., or even if you are a sole proprietor. Second thing is that we help out with all bookkeeping issues using the platform called
QuickBooks.
So we use QuickBooks to make sure that your bookkeeping is in order. Next, we can also form corporations, form LLCs, along with dissolving LLCs or forming or dissolving S corporations or C corporations. Now, if you get into a little bit of trouble because the IRS is now hiring more auditors because they have new money, then you need audit representation. You don't want to go into an audit by yourself. Make sure you hire an accountant. We're here to help you out. And lastly, what other services do we do? Number one, or the final service is business consultation. Hey, John, I have a business. I did this, I did that, but I just don't know how to take the next step. So with that, Rose?
Si tú estás buscando algún contador, estás buscando a alguien que prepare tus impuestos con mucha confianza y con experiencia, bueno, pues aquí estamos para poderte ayudar en impuestos individuales, en impuestos de corporaciones, pero también en tu contabilidad. Te podemos dar también una asesoría, podemos disolver una corporación, una LLC que no la estás ocupando y te está generando dolores de cabeza, y también podemos nómina, hacemos 1099, si no sabes qué es esto, de veras deberías de saberlo porque esto te puede ahorrar que pagues más impuestos. Así es que consultas empresariales, llámanos al 818-918-2188 déjanos un mensaje y con gusto te atenderemos.
Contact us at 818-918-2188. Again, that's 818-918-2188. We are here to serve you. And this is, again, John and Rose Ismerio from Tax Accounting Firm. Thank you, guys.
Gracias.